Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Sunday Fun Day. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. We got another Amazon Prime. I think this is wardrobe. Check out. Link will be down below. To see what goodies they sent us today. Now we got fall fashion on the way. Went back to school. I just can't believe how fast this year went. And now the teens are gone and we're be in the 20s. 2020. Never thought that I would be able to see this. Pretty crazy though. Let's see what we got in here today, guys. Curious. And they always got the good old return policy. 7 days. If you don't like it or don't fit, just send it back and they'll charge you for the ones you keep, which is a really great deal for anyone on a budget. Especially that has a lot of kids. I mean, you got 7 days to try them on, so you could flip-flop through. Now we have here, looks like t-shirt. Sure. Alright. Yeah, buddy, we got some jeans here. Oh yeah, we got good old Levi's. I could dig these. These are nice. Alright. So like I said, pretty good. Came out really cool. No dirt, no stains, no damage. These are the relaxed fit. Like I said, I'm old now, so I want to be comfortable. Oh yeah, no skinny jeans for me. Definitely, that's out of the question. So that is the men's jeans. And like I said, I'll leave the link down below for that. All you gotta do, click the link, check it out. You guys have a good day, be safe, and see you guys soon.